They say love makes a Subaru, but for some people, it's also the brand's incredible safety ratings. Here's what to know about why Subarus have such high safety ratings and how they stack up to some of their biggest competitors. The Ascent SUV and the Legacy sedan are the two safest Subaru models on the market, with 5 stars overall from the NHTSA and a Top Safety Pick Plus designation from the IIHS. The biggest contributors to why these and many other Subaru models have such high safety ratings are their sturdy frames and their driver assistance technology. For instance, the EyeSight suite has dual cameras, a traffic monitor, adaptive cruise control, and pre-collision warnings. It's available with every model but comes standard on the Ascent, Legacy, Forester, and Outback. The driver focus package tracks distraction and drowsiness and can send you visual and auditory reminders to get your focus back on the road before something bad happens. This package is available with the Forester, Legacy, and Outback. Subaru was a clear winner on Car and Driver's list of the safest new vehicles for 2022, with 4 spots taken on this exclusive list: the BRZ, Crosstrek Hybrid, Legacy, and Outback. Subaru tied with Toyota and Volvo, who each also had 4 cars make the cut. You may then be wondering if Subaru is really the best choice for you out of these 3. While we can't make that decision for you, we can offer you some things to consider. Toyota often beats out Subaru in reliability ratings, which take into account the cost and frequency of needed maintenance and repairs in addition to plain safety. So it seems like the decision to choose a Toyota over a Subaru has more to do with the affordability than the quality of the car. Kelley Blue Book compared the 2020 Subaru Outback with the 2020 Volvo V60. What they found was that the Subaru was more affordable with a great resale value, but it comes standard with CVT transmission, which has some significant drawbacks. You'll also have to pay extra to get some driver assistance features on the Outback that come standard with the V60. The Volvo V60 has more power and a more upscale interior, but it comes with a higher purchase price, and the Subaru has it beat, though not by much, in terms of gas mileage. As we've reviewed, Subarus have some of the best safety ratings on the market, which makes them an easy pick for most drivers. For more information on different car makes, buying a car, and more, go to getjerry.com.